Have you ever wondered what the world looked like in the year 1500? Before planes, phones, or fast food, great empires rose, faiths spread across continents, and trade routes connected faraway lands. This was the start of the global age. Step back in time with me and explore the world as it stood on the edge of transformation. Let's start with the map. Around 1500 CE, major empires dominated key parts of the globe. The Ottoman Empire controlled Southeast Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East, a crossroads of 3 continents. In Persia, the Safavid Empire emerged with a strong Shia Muslim identity. The Mughal Empire ruled much of India, blending Islamic governance with Hindu majority culture. China was ruled by the powerful Ming dynasty, with a population of over 100 million. Japan was under feudal control with the emperor as a figurehead and shoguns holding real power. Russia was expanding from its base in Moscow. In Africa, great kingdoms like Songhai flourished in West Africa, and Congo thrived in Central Africa. The Inca in South America and the Aztecs in Mesoamerica built massive cities and intricate societies. In Europe, England, France, and Spain were gaining strength, and the Holy Roman Empire still claimed vast lands in Central Europe. Religions played a massive role in shaping cultures and power. Christianity was dominant in Europe, split between Roman Catholicism in the West and Eastern Orthodoxy in the East. Islam stretched from North Africa through the Middle East and into parts of Asia. It had 2 main branches, Sunni and Shia, and was spread by empires like the Ottoman Safavids and Mughals. Hinduism thrived in India with deep traditions, sacred texts like the Vedas, and a caste-based social structure. Buddhism, which began in India, had spread to East and Southeast Asia, shaping cultures in China, Japan, Korea, and beyond. Judaism, one of the oldest monotheistic religions, existed in communities across Europe and the Middle East, often facing persecution. And a new faith, Sikhism, was emerging in India, blending elements of Hinduism and Islam and focusing on equality, meditation, and service. Each religion brought unique customs, sacred writings, holidays, and architecture from mosques and churches to temples and synagogues. Even before globalization, the world was already connected. Major trade routes included the Silk Road, linking China to the Mediterranean, trans-Saharan routes bringing salt and gold across Africa, the Indian Ocean network with spices, textiles, and ideas flowing between East Africa, the Middle East, India, and Southeast Asia, Northern European trade via the Hanseatic League, Western European sea and river trade soon to explode with the age of exploration. Through these routes, not just goods, but ideas and technology spread. Paper printing and compass navigation from China, numerals and algebra from the Islamic world, textiles, porcelain, and spices that transformed diets and fashion in Europe. The printing press, developed in the mid-1400s, was one of the greatest breakthroughs, preserving and sharing knowledge faster than ever before. In 1500 CE, the first flushing toilets were being developed in England, early plumbing that would eventually change sanitation around the world. By 1510 CE, the first pocket watches were created in Germany, making timekeeping portable for the first time in history. Even diseases like the plague moved with terrifying speed. Science, philosophy, and religion traveled with merchants, missionaries, and scholars, laying the foundation for the modern world. The world in 1500 was more connected than it looked. Empires rose, religions spread, trade routes buzzed, and it was only the beginning. This is just a snapshot of the world in 1500. If these videos are helpful to you, hit the like button, subscribe to Histoscript, and stay tuned as I dive deeper into each standard of the emergence of a global age. Thanks for watching Histoscript. If you learned something new today, or just love the hidden side of history, give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a story your textbook skipped. History isn't just dates, it's secrets, myths, and the strange truths behind it all. Stay curious. Stay tuned.